Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make animated SVG using an easy method. We'll explore straightforward techniques to bring your vector graphics to life without complex coding. You'll learn how to use readily available online tools that simplify the animation process, making it accessible for everyone. Get ready to transform static images into dynamic, engaging visuals in just a few steps. Choosing the right tool is crucial for an easy animation experience. Several excellent online platforms allow you to upload your SVG and add animations directly in your browser. These tools often provide a visual timeline and preset animation effects, saving you significant time. Focus on tools that offer clear controls and allow you to export your animated SVG file easily. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, whether you're learning new skills or just relaxing. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have your tool ready, the animation process is quite simple. First, upload your existing static SVG file. Next, identify the specific elements within your SVG that you want to animate, such as paths or shapes. Apply various animation effects like fades, movements, or rotations. Finally, fine-tune the timing and duration of each animation to create a polished and engaging sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.